A lot of you will know technical analysis. Say you'll be able to identify patterns in the market. You'll be able to identify breakdowns, breakouts, or a good uptrend and downtrend. You'll be able to understand what's going on in the market or any particular stock. But how do you earn money from this knowledge? How do you earn money from your technical analysis? That's what I'm going to be explaining in this video. So watch this video till the end. This month, I made a profit of 19,000 rupees in just 9 trading sessions from one single stock. The stock's name is Asian Paints. Those of you who are following me on my Telegram will be aware of this because I have been posting my profit on Telegram continuously from the 13th of October. Here is a snapshot of all the profit I have made from Asian Paints just this month. You can see how many times I have booked profit, and it aggregates to a total of 19,000 rupees in a total of 9 trading sessions only. Guys, I entered into Asian Paints for just one single reason. There was a breakdown in Asian Paints. So if you can see over here, there are two solid supports at 3,250 level. And this support was broken down on 12th October. If you see in my Telegram, on 13th October, I announced that I have taken a position, a short position in a call option. And this is when I entered into this trade. I shorted 3,300, which is over here. So I was very sure that this level will not be reached because Asian Paints has been sideways for more than 49 trading sessions and 75 days, and it has given a breakdown. So because of this, I entered into this trade at 3,300. I sold the 3,300 call option, and as you can see, it came down to 3,180. And at this point I booked some profit, and then the market rose again at 3,245. You can see how wonderfully there was a rejection once again. Now, using my reversal strategy, I was able to understand that the market is going to go further down for Asian Paints. So what I did was I shorted one more lot of 3,300. And then the market went down and rose a little bit again, and at this point I shorted 3,200, and when it came further down I shorted 3,150 as well. So towards the end, on the expiry day, I was able to book a total of 19,000 rupees profit on this trade. Guys, can you see how in just 9 trading sessions Asian Paints has given such a move of almost 200 points, and from 200 points I was able to make a good profit, which will be very helpful for me and my family as well. So friends, technical analysis is crucial for stock market trading, and if you are aware of technical analysis, it's not just enough, but you should know how to trade with it. So I conduct classes on how to trade using technical analysis and reversal strategies. So if you want to learn more about it, you can go into my website. I've shared a link in the description box. You can use that link and try to find out how to learn swing trading system, which is a system which I have created on my own from my scratch over the past 3 years, and I share it with my friends who want to learn from me. So if you want to know more about how to learn the swing trading system and earn 5% minimum per trade or per month from stock market with a capital of minimum 1 lakh rupees, then just send a mail to me, or you can reach out via comments. You can ask me questions. I'm available on Telegram, on YouTube, on Facebook, everywhere. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Have a great day. See you soon with another video on technical analysis and swing trading.